friends, this is Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today we'll be making air fryer cauliflower. So we're going to start by cutting the cauliflower into pieces. So first I'm going to cut off the green part and throw this out. And then I will cut it in half. And continue cutting into pieces, and at the end I will throw out this core. Okay, this is going to be thrown out, and we will cook these parts. And I will continue cutting into pieces. Okay, so now the cauliflower is properly sliced for cooking. The next step would be to take the air fryer basket out of the air fryer and put the cut up cauliflower into the basket. And now I'm going to toss it in olive oil. About 2 tablespoons per head of cauliflower, and sprinkle with salt and pepper, and you can add your favorite seasonings. And I will toss with my hands so the cauliflower is coated with olive oil. And now I will put the basket inside the air fryer. And we'll set the temperature to 375 degrees. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Now, halfway through cooking, in about 10 minutes, we're going to take this out and shake the basket to evenly distribute the cauliflower. See how it's getting brown? So I'm just going to shake it. And put it back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's check on our roasted cauliflower. Look at this cauliflower, it's perfectly cooked. Let's put it on our serving plate. All done. Look how easy it is. For a printable recipe, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and search for air fryer cauliflower. Goodbye.